and welcome back to my channel and a new series, hiking the Welsh 100. For the people who don't know what the Welsh 100 is, it is the 100 highest mountains in Wales, and I'm hoping to do all of them in this series. And I'm starting in the Black Mountain range, and I'm hoping to go from there to the Brecon Beacons and then up to Snowdonia. So as I'm starting in the Black Mountain range, I am doing Lord Herefords Knob Circular. That's right, you heard me, the Lord Herefords Knob Circular. In total, it's a 15-mile walk. It was about 25 k's. It should take me around about 7 to 8 hours to do today, and that should take in 3 of the Welsh 100. Hello guys, Future Matt here. Just to let you know that I actually did 5 and not 3 of the Welsh 100 that day. The ones that I should have counted was Lord Herefords Knob and that trig point after Little Stork. So you should know now when you watch the video that Lord Herefords Knob and that trig point is now part of the Welsh 100. I hope you enjoyed the rest of my video, so let's get back to it. Now, just to clarify, I do have difficulty saying all the Welsh names. So what I'm going to do is give the English equivalent, or say the English equivalent first, and I'll put the Welsh name in the corner of the screen somewhere. If you guys enjoy my video today, please get a good old like, press the subscribe button and leave a comment below please. This series started, and let's get to our first hike. Catch up with you guys up there. Let's go! So that was the head of the big chair. That's 800 metres. So it's a 40-second summit in Wales. Oh, God. It was so windy up there. I'll show you some footage now. So I'm off to the second summit now. I should think it will be windy as well, because at the moment I am behind the hill. So I'm just taking shelter at the moment. So if I don't say anything on top of the other summit, that's why. I'll see you guys up there. So that is Little Stork at 809 metres, the 38th highest mountain in Wales. So the next summit I've got, which isn't on the highest mountain list, is Lord Herefords Knob. So let's get cracking. So I've just come across this trig point. I don't know what trig point it is, but when I find out, I will leave it in the corner of the screen somewhere. But this is a trig point with a view, I'll tell you now. Look at this view. And it's still windy up here as well. but what a beautiful view. Right, now I've come across this trig point. I've still got to make it to Lord Herefords knob, so let's go, shall we? So this is Lord Herefords knob, and what a view it is. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Right, I'm going to have some lunch and then I'm going to head off. Okay, so now the wind has died down a bit now because I'm going into a valley. I'm going over to Haybluff and then over to Black Mountain, which is the other one of the Welsh 100 ones. So I'll see you there. Hello guys, as you can see I am back at the car, got all changed up and everything. Black Mountain was quite anticlimactic, wasn't it? Out of all the peaks I'd done today, Black Mountain was the worst one. Because all they had was bogs, and more bogs. And it also just had a winding path going straight through the middle. So the only things that were interesting was these cairns that marked out the British and Welsh border. And if you go to your left, you're in England, and if you went to your right, you're back in Wales. And if you was going to do it for your Welsh 100 peak challenge, I would do it either at the first thing or do it at the very last. Just get the crap out of the way, because I would not recommend doing Black Mountain any other time. Other than that, the day was a really good day. I'll put all the stats which I did, like the elevation gain, the timings, at the end of the video. If you want to know what route I've done, I'll leave that also in the description box below. If you enjoyed my video today, please give it a good old like, press the subscribe button, and leave a comment in the box below. If you want to see anything in the videos, anything like that, just tell me what you want to see and I'll try and make that happen for you. So until next time guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys later.